I assume this is important.
You told me measures were being taken to ensure Freeland's safety. Okay. You never said anything about martial law.
The Markovians attacked an ASA operation and killed my personnel. You'd rather I sent a strongly worded email?
When I see military walking around the hallways of my high school, things have to change. I have done everything you've asked of me. I keep troops in Freeland, fine. But this occupation is overkill.
In my experience, Mr. Pierce, there's no such thing. Now, you continue to do as instructed, or I'll put your daughters in the pit, run tests on them, just like all the others.